Hey guys, Akil here. Want to pop in and give you a little bit of an update on the Euro Yen idea that we talked about this weekend. I'll go ahead and delete our notes right here and start early. Essentially, what we've had here is this, right? We went into the weekend with a double bottom. That's price action returning down here, finding a pivot point, retracing, and then coming back down to retest and hold that level for a second time. That's called a double bottom because, and this will make it very, very simple, we have one bottom right here. We retest, we have a second bottom right there. And what we were looking for is a secondary opportunity at trading that double bottom. And I think in the original video, we talked about something called a 2618 opportunity, but we'll look at it from a simple version here, and it's called a break of structure and a pullback trade. And essentially what I'm looking for is this. Let me get rid of this moving average. I don't use these. We're having discussions this morning, but essentially, we're looking for confirmation of that double bottom by price action breaking and closing above the peak. That's going to be this little guy right here. And you can see that price action did indeed do that on this candle right here. We broke and closed above. And then we came into a nice area of consolidation where the market tried to spike up, it tried to spike down. There was a little battle between the bulls and the bears. And just recently, we have broken and closed above this, which is another positive sign for a continuation to the bull side. If you're an aggressive trader, you can enter right now. Let me say you're a breakout trader, you can enter right now in the breakout of this candle and look to trade it up. Or you can look for a retest, meaning looking for price action to come back down into this consolidation zone and a chance to catch the next move up. The next question we want to ask ourselves is, if price action is likely to go up, where are we likely to go up to? And just from a price action and structural perspective, the first level that stood out to me is going to be right here. You can see the little bit of consolidation area before we drop off here. You can also see that's right above kind of an even handle number as well, 163 even. And by even handle numbers, we mean that psychological numbers that end in 0 zeros. Of course, you know the saying, look left, structure leaves clues. We can drag this level to the left and you can see it's a nice bottom area from a previous structure shelf, right? So this is an area of previous support, which was broken and became resistance. We would now expect it to act as resistance. Lastly, we can bring in our fixed range volume profile. It's going to be this tool up here. Beep. You can find it, somewhere over here as well in the kind of positioning deal. And I'm going to draw it out from swing high to swing low and see where the area of interest is at. And you can see the bulk of the bulk, the most interest is up here at right below 163.5 or 163.50s. But you can see it starts picking up right after this 163 even handle. So a couple ways to look at this opportunity. One, if you're a breakout trader, trade the breakout for maybe the last little bit that's available here. Or if we do get that pullback, and very important that we get that pullback before coming to this area. If we come to this area first, the move has been made and you don't want to be in there for another opportunity. But if we do pull back before this occurs, we can look for a continuation up to this area. So a nice little, I wouldn't call it day trading, but an intraday trading opportunity here on the Euro Yen. If you have any questions, let me know. Type it in the comment section below. And if you ever want more from me, there's all types of cool AKIL'S stuff in whatever description thing I do links and stuff at. All right.